Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name Ahmad Hidayatullah from Diploma 3 Telecommunication Engineering 0606B. In this time, I will present my final project proposal and the title is Optical Fiber Network Design in Telkom Purwokerto Institute of Technology and Surrounding using OptiSystem. In the presentation of this proposal seminar, there are some one outline. The first profile, two background, three formulation of the problem, four scope of problem, five purpose, six basic theory, seven research methodology, and eight closing. Next, the first in chapter 1 divided into background, formulation of the problem, scope of problem, and purpose. First, background. Optical fiber provides a very large area and give rise to very high data value today. The key to high data value is a factor in data transmission. There are more advantages to optical fiber cumulation, such as data security, data duplication, the ease of making optical source and optical detector. Fiber to the home or FTTH is a format for copying information in the from or like wave from the center of the supplier to the user area by using optical fiber as the delivery medium. In the development of FTTH network, the feasibility study needs to optimize the existing network in order to get the optimal network based on the feasibility of efficient and network parameter in the development of FTTH network. So, to find out the feasibility of FTTH network in the area decided on the link power budget and bit error rate, use FT system to design the network design. Next, add the formulation of the problem point. 1. How to make a design of FTTH using OptiSystem. 2. How to calculate the result of the link power budget and bit error rate input the upstream and downstream direction. Next, scope of problem point. 1. The process of making sketch using the Google Earth application. 2. Calculation results are only for displaying results from upstream and downstream. 3. The simulation process used of the system, software, or application. Next, purpose point. 1. Make a design simulation on the FTTH network. 2. Develop knowledge on FTTH network. 3. Determine the characteristic of the FTTH network around the area of the Purwokerto Telecom Institute of Technology. And 4. Analyzing the result of calculation from data obtained from upstream and downstream. Next, second in chapter 2 is basic theory. First, fiber optic. Optical fiber is type of cable made of glass fiber or fine plastic that can transmit light signal from one place to another. Part of fiber optic cable among other jacket, string member, coating, cladding, and core. Next, FTTX. fiber to the X or FTTX is a general term for any broadband network architecture that uses optical fiber to replace all or part of the local metal loop cable used for last mile telecommunication. Next, configuration on FTTH. In the picture can be seen part of the FTTH configuration, including OLT, ODP, ODC in segment A, ODP in segment B, OTP in segment C, ROSET in segment D, ONT, ONT, UTP, and STB. Next, OptiSystem or OptiWave. OptiSystem is a simulation system tool that is very innovative and can be used to design or do system modeling, testing, and optimization of optical network and virtually from analog video network broadcasting to backbone network. OptiSystem has several features which include layout, editor, report page, scripting capability, MATLAB interface, and other. Next in chapter 3, research methodology. The first on can see is a simulation for chart. First it's star, then research for location that will be used for research using Google Maps or Google Earth. If the place to be used suitable, then the data is stored. But if the place is not suitable, then look for another place that's suitable. Then data is sent via Telegram. Then data that has been stored and sent will be mapped to the OptiSystem software for simulation. And then the simulation result will be displayed on the data result and finished. Next, this research flow chart began with the use of the literature study, which when collection reference data come from books, articles, journal, and website related to the final project material. Then determining the location that will be used as a simulation of FTTH. Network design, determining the location using the Google Earth application. Then software design in research using OptiSystem software. Then do a simulation software design to find accurate data result. But if no simulation result are obtained, the analysis of interface and improvement will be made to the software. Then the last, the result of the data, where the result of the data is a picture of the simulation result of the system software, link power budget, rise time budget, and bit error rate, and signal to noise ratio. Thank you.